Today's episode is sponsored by Mooncool, and they sent us some sweet trikes to try out. Let's unbox these babies and see what they're all about. This is the folding TK1, and it's pretty much a plug-and-play trike. Oh wait, this thing folds up, so we can travel with it and store it more easily. And it has a 48-volt, 15-amp lithium-ion battery, so it can drive up to 60 miles. It has a reliable and powerful 500-watt motor to power the rear wheels. That's happening because it has a differential-style rear axle, which means the wheels can spin at different speeds, which not only improves stability, but it also decreases tire wear. It generates up to 55 Newton meters of torque to get you up even the steepest of hills. Even with all that power, the helical gear design makes it super quiet and smooth. You can sneak up on anyone. Watch this.